In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use ChatGPT in ChatGPT-4 in Google Slides. So apparently, this is actually works pretty well and is very useful in for multiple reasons. So first, let me show you what you have to do, and so make sure you click on Tools. And here in Tools, we have Extensions. Now click on Ads On and Get Ads On. All right. So remember to go to Extensions and then Ads On. Perfect. So here in Ads in Google Workspace Marketplace, here we have the search bar. Make sure you click on the search bar, and here you write ChatGPT. And here, as you can see, we have ChatGPT for Sheets, we have ChatGPT for Docs, we have also GDP Google Forums. So we have the system, the ChatGPT, let's put it like this way, ChatGPT mind, or the power for different for multiple as you can see here, for Sheets, for Docs, for Google Docs. So you have the power of ChatGPT that you can use for Docs, for Google Docs, for AI mail assistant. And you can see which one works the best if you see the stars, and this is almost 4.5, almost 5 stars, so which I believe it's a pretty good and really it's a pretty good way to to use it when you work with Google Sheets, with Google Docs, with Google Slides. This is gonna help you to write better with AI Writer for Google Sheets. ChatGPT, it enables you to use ChatGPT directly in Google Sheets, and I'm sure it's gonna help you to increase your productivity. You can see the reviews, if the reviews are good or not. And all you have to do now, just click on install. If you want to install extension, a ChatGPT extension, and here what I like is that you have multiple extension that you can choose from, so it's not only one. So I really hope, guys, you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.